Welcome to Tech Boss here. In this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung A3 without computer. So let's start. Before we start, I will ask from you to subscribe for more tutorials, so when I upload new video you can get notification for your phone, your mobile phone solution, and all Tech Boss job. So now let's start. First, press on the up volume. First, press on the up volume. Second, press on the power button. Third, press on the home key. You must press all at the same time. Let's start. 1 volume, 2 1 volume, 2 power, 3 2 home key, 3 power, and press them like this. You must press and hold on them till the recovery mode come or no command comes. So keep hold them like this till you see this. When you see this, leave them. Now we are going to remove no command. How are you going to remove it? Press the up volume and the power at the same time like this. Press. Don't press and hold on them. Press. So when we press them like this, press, it will go. And use the down to move. Use the down to move and the power as OK. And select wipe data factory reset. Select wipe data factory reset and press on power. Yes, calm down. Yes. Now press power to reboot your phone and check the link below the description how to bypass Samsung A3 without PC. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe now.